Hi, are you a business owner who have been impacted by COVID, but is looking for some additional funds to help you reopen your business? So here we might have a program for you. So the program is called Highly Affected Sector Credit Availability Program. It's a little bit trickier to say, but commonly we just call it the HASCAP. So today's presentation, we're trying to give you a high-level understanding of what the program is and how this program can help you get your business back on the ground. So for today, we're going to talk about what the program is, what kind of loan amount you can qualify under this program, the pricing for it, how you make the repayments, and if you're eligible for this program, how you can use the funds. If this is a program you can benefit from, how do you apply? At the end, I'll be sharing my contact information for your questions and concerns. So first off, the program. So the program is actually designed by BDC. Once again, the name is HASCAP. It's mainly designed for businesses that has heavily been impacted by COVID-19. And now the program is to help you access guaranteed low interest loans to help your business gets feedback. So the program, once again, it's called HASCAP. The program is actually guaranteed by BDC. This program is designed for businesses that has been heavily impacted by COVID-19. So now with this program, business owners can access guaranteed low interest loans to help your business get back on the ground. There are many participating financial institutions. For example, most of the chartered banks are participants. Credit unions are also participating in this program too. This loan itself is 100% guaranteed by BDC, so there's no personal guarantee required. The goal of this program is to support small businesses manage cash flow, replenish capital to continue the operation during this reopening phase. So under this program, the loan amount can range from anywhere between 25,000 up to 1 million. So we're going to look into your financial picture, your financial statements prior to COVID, as well as your financial statements during COVID to determine how much you really need and how much you can actually qualify. The interest rate, regardless of whichever financial institution you use, the interest rate is actually standard across the board. It's always 4% and there's no fee involved whatsoever. For the loan program itself, when you make the repayments, you can take up to 10 years. So it's going to be amortized into 10 years. The first year, we might be able to do interest-only payments. So in total, that's 11 years in total. And because of the payments are interest-only in the first year, it's going to be easier for you to manage the payments. So for you, how do you find out if you're eligible for this program? So under this program, there are several requirements that you will have to meet. For example, you will have to be a Canada-based business, and you need to be financially viable prior to COVID. So for example, if somebody was running a business at a loss prior to COVID, then unfortunately, there's not too much we can do about this program. But if you have a business that's profitable prior to COVID, then it's due to COVID, you lost some of your revenue and might run into a minus situation, then we might be able to help you qualify for this loan. To qualify for this loan, you also need to fall into these categories. So if your company qualifies for the wage subsidy program or the rent relief program, then we will need copies of the payments. We will also need the CRA statements showing there's a reduction of 50% revenue loss for 3 months out of the 8 months prior to the application. Now, when I say 50% revenue loss for 3 months, the 3 months, they don't have to be consecutive. So for example, if you had a reduction in March, another reduction in May, another reduction in June, you might still qualify. They don't have to be 3 months in a row. So if your company cannot qualify for the wage subsidy program or the rent relief program, we need your financial statements, ideally year-on-year comparison, showing there's a 50% reduction in revenue for 3 months out of the 8 months before application. But once again, the 3 months, they don't have to be consecutive. So under this program, how can you use the funds? So back to its purpose, the purpose of this loan is to help you replenish your capital to continue business operation. So with this program, the money from this program, you can use it to pay rent. You can also use it to hire labor to help you reopen your business and pay them wage or salary, whichever you prefer. And also under this program, the funds cannot be used to pay or refinance any existing debts. So if this program is something that's beneficial for you, how do you apply? First off, you need to go to your primary financial institution. By saying your primary financial institution, that's really the financial institution you deal with the most. That's the bank. That's the bank where you do your daily transactions. That's where you get your business loans and so on and so forth. Speak to your account manager or your small business lending advisor and tell them that you're applying for HASCAP, and they will help you get an assessment. If you can pass this assessment, the next step would be doing an online application. And at the end of the application, you will be receiving an ID specifically for this HASCAP program, and send this ID back to your financial institution, your account manager. Then they're going to start their underwriting process. Now, a little tip for you is if you get declined, you may still provide them with additional information and request them to do another round of underwriting and request an adjustment. And if you get approved, then the rest is just assigning the documents and waiting for the payment to arrive in your account. So for this program, some of the banks, they're going to cut it off by June 30th, 2020. So a lot of businesses are reopening. And if this is a program you can benefit from, I strongly recommend you to start applying for this program and help yourself replenish your business, your capital, and help your business prepare for the reopening phase. So for this program, you will still be dealing with the financial institution. Although this program is backed by BDC, BDC does the work at the back end. You don't have to go through BDC at all. So if you have any questions or concerns, or if you want me to take a look at your situation, please feel free to give me a call. This is my contact information, my cell phone number, my email, and also my social media handles. If you're looking for more content like this, or if you need a specific help for this program, feel free to contact me. I'll be very happy to assist you. So that being said, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you find this video valuable, or this video might help your friends, your family, please feel free to share with them. So that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.